Welcome to Echo News. Miocene sediments in certain regions of New Zealand have long suggested a vibrant history. Recent discoveries in the Hindenmar complex now indicate that ancient insects might have been far more diverse than previously thought. Among the specimens, researchers discovered a new genus of whitefly and the first-ever psyllid wing fossil from this region. They examined puparia on ancient leaf fragments and observed intriguing characteristics, such as clearly defined body segments and specialized shapes around the insect's feeding and breathing areas. Ancient whitefly fossils. These discoveries expand our understanding of insect life in the region. Middle Miocene rocks, around 14.6 million years old, revealed delicate traces of creatures that once roamed among ancient plants. These are the first fossil records of these Sternorhynchine families, Hemiptera, from New Zealand, explained Dr. J. Drohojska from the Geology Department at the University of Otago. Dr. Drohojska and the team uncovered the samples in sedimentary layers formed by volcanic eruptions that created small Mar lakes in Otago. Naming the new whitefly. The new species is called Myotetralurodes novaezelandii. Its puparia, or final juvenile forms, were still attached to ancient leaves when excavated. This insect measured about 1.5 millimeters in length, had a sturdy outer covering, and sported clear impressions of each body segment. Such definition of distinct segments is not as common in modern whiteflies, which usually show smoother boundaries. The unique structure may help experts compare Miocene whiteflies with contemporary relatives and trace changes in the group's morphology. Possible insect-plant relationships. Fossil leaves uncovered at the Hindenmar complex are packed with details about plant-insect interactions. Many of the whitefly puparia were attached to their host leaves in a life position, leaving behind a record that reflects the insect's feeding style. Plant hosts for these ancient whiteflies remain unidentified, but the presence of multiple puparia on single leaves points to group feeding in certain spots. Such clues open new doors for comparing host choices in early Miocene insects with those of living species in the same family.